और कर्तव्य।
When greed and justice come face to face, it was sacrifice that won the race.
So let's dive into this emotional atmosphere. हम आपको लेके चलते हैं ऐसे शो की ओर जिसका नाम है The Caucasian Chalk Circle.
Hello everybody, this is Ashita.
And this is Dividarshan.
The Caucasian Chalk Circle is one of the most famous play written by the great playwright Bertolt Brecht. यह एक रशियन कहानी है जो कि जस्टिस, सैक्रिफाइस और मदरहुड के बारे में बताती है।
Yes, the play is set during the time of war and chaos. एक अमीर गवर्नर का परिवार अपना महल छोड़ के भाग जाता है और जल्दबाजी में गवर्नर की जो पत्नी होती है वो अपने बच्चे को तक पीछे छोड़ देती है।
Yes, amid and all the confusion, एक गरीब और दयालु नौकरानी ग्रूशा को वह बच्चा मिल जाता है। Even though she is poor and afraid, but she decided to save the child's life as her own son.
सालों बाद जब शांति दोबारा लौट के आती है, the biological mother comes back. But now the child does not mean love to her. The child means wealth and property to her.
And then enters Ajta, एक बहुत ही चतुर और न्यायप्रिय जज जो अपने अनोखे तरीके द चॉक सर्कल टेस्ट से तय करता है कि बच्चे की सच्ची माँ कौन है।
The one who truly loves the child would always refuse to hurt him. और इसी तरीके से ग्रूशा का प्यार और त्याग लालच और शक्ति पर जीत जाता है।
And this story beautifully reminds us that the real love is shown through the action, not by the words.
So dear audience, are you ready? Sit back, relax and enjoy this emotional and powerful play.
तो चलिए, let's begin with the play. The Caucasian Chalk Circle.
And his wife Natila, moving among the crowd of villagers, refusing to listen to their plea for church to celebrate Easter. Just after the celebration, the governor's brother kills him and took his revenge.
Please let us speak to the king. 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 Soldier, soldier.
Yes, sir.
Throw them away from my way.
Yes, sir.
Brother, what is this? Why have you come here?
Your reign comes to end today.
The people are not foolish. They know who served them well.
Our father gave both equal land, but you stole all. Today I will take everything you have.
Let them remember what they wish. From tonight, Grusinia has a new ruler, one who fears no conscience. Find the governor's wife and child. Bring them to me. The line of the governor must end tonight.
There is an announcement. There is an announcement. The governor is dead.
He was killed by his brother.
Leave the place. Leave the place.
War is coming. Panic fills the street. The governor is dead and his wife only thinks of Jess. Once there was peace in the city of Christiania. A wise governor ruled with justice and pride. But envy crept into his brother's heart and blood soon turned against blood.
My gowns, my pearls, where are my golden shoes?
Madam, the enemy is near. We must have to leave.
Fool, how can I leave without my silver mirror? Bring
Soldiers are coming, soldiers are coming. The palace is empty. All had fled. Only this poor child remains. Your mother forgot you, little one. If I take you, soldiers will kill me. But if I leave you, wolves would hunt you. What should I do? You breathe so gently. Your little hands. How can I walk away? But if they find me, I will hang as a thief. Better than I suffer you perish. Come, little one, I will be your mother.
Dusha, wait. It's very difficult to manage a baby in the outskirts of the city.
But I have to live with the baby.
You know that the child is very delicate and needs a special care. In the absence of it, he will die.
But I have to live with the baby. In any case, this place is more dangerous for him.
If it is so, take these medicines. It will help you and your baby. Through mountains, rivers, and dark forest, she fled. Hunger gnawed, fatigue weighed her down. Yet she never let the child slip from her arms. She became both shield and heart.
Who carries the child in these dangerous days?
Maybe she stole it?
No, that's mine. I didn't steal anything.
I'm sorry for my words, ma'am. I think you are hungry. Please have something.
I think that's the governor's son. Hand him over.
No, he is mine. My blood, my care kept him alive.
She thinks herself a lady. Let's go.
Sleep, my child, through the night is cold. I will be your blanket, strong and bold. Sleep, little one, tomorrow we fight. But tonight I guard you through dark and fright.
Grusa, alive? I searched for you everywhere.
Simon, I carried a child.
A child yours.
No, not mine, abandoned, but he is mine in love.
Grusa, the world is cruel. To raise him means suffering.
Simon, I can't leave you after so much.
Then, let us raise him together. If he is yours, he is mine.
After many years, when the war had ended up, the governor's child had grew older, and now he is 9 years old. But his biological mother, Natila, wanted him back so as to claim the family property to him. The final case is given to Judge Azdan, and he gives the final judgment.
bread, wine, and one fat chico.
Your Honor, my client Nutella is the real mother. By blood, by law, by God.
Blood? Bah!
Your Honor, the child is of noble birth. He belongs with wealth and comfort, not with these peasants.
Wealth? Tell me now, lawyer, that wealth is a dirty diaper at midnight?
Yes, that's my child. I want him back.
No, that's my child. He knows my arms, not hers.
Enough speeches. Draw a chalk circle. Here is the law. Two women claim one child. The one who pulls out of the circle is the real mother. Ready? Pull. Again. Pull.
My child, he belongs to me.
The case is clear. It belongs to Grusha.
What? She did not even try.
The real mother spares her child from pain. The fake mother drags him out of the circle to prove ownership. Grusha has proven her love.
So Judge Asdak gave the child to Grusha. The land was saved not by greed, not by birthright, but by kindness and sacrifice. The message of the play is: the child belongs to one who loves and protects, not to one who only cares. Thank you.
Everyone who all are present here. Your presence means a lot for us for watching these grand functions, and thank you very much for watching this. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for seeing our program, The Chalk Circle. Thank you very much.